Today we'll install the Power Frunk Soft Close Lock. Let's see what's inside the box. Dedicated motor, controller, cable tie, metal sheet. That's everything inside the box. Part 1. Prepare the trunk before disassembly. Open the front trunk. Locate these 4 mounting screws and remove them. Remove the baffle plate. Use a pry bar to remove the front trunk light trim panel. Unplug the device. Remove from the trunk. Part 2. Install self-priming lock. Use a wrench tool to remove the original vehicle lock. Remove the spring. Insert the metal plate and rotate it to the position shown in the video. Insert the metal plate and rotate it to the position shown in the video. Place the specialized iron bracket behind the original lock. Position one wire of the ring cable above the original lock and hook the ring onto the white iron post. Then place the shorter end of the spring above the ring and secure it onto the white iron post. Snap the spring back into place. Align the assembled lock with the holes and secure it with screws. Part 3. Install self-priming lock. Remove the mounting screws for the dedicated motor. Place the dedicated motor in this position on the left side of the front trunk. Screw tight to secure. Part 4. Install self-priming lock. First, remove the air filter cover plate. Take out the controller. Connect the white connector on the controller to the white connector on the dedicated motor. Take the red wire from the controller and locate this red connection point on the car. Remove the red rubber protective cap and place the positive terminal clip into the screw hole. Tighten the nut. Take out the black ground wire and locate this position. Loosen the screw. Insert the grounding clamp into the screw. Tighten the screw. Finally, neatly organize and store any excess thread. We'll go through it step by step. Test it first. Part 5. Install self-priming lock. Restore air filter element. Install the front trunk. Connect the light. Install the cover plate. Tighten the screw.